Today, I wish to invite you to take a moment to relax and join me on a little journey. We're going to explore a beautiful visual image to represent a powerful nugget of wisdom. We'll dive into a stunning visual image that we'll use to illustrate this meaningful nugget of wisdom. What you think, you become. As you explore this image on your screen, let's walk through it together. We'll highlight how specific features of the image can be used to represent key aspects of this wisdom nugget. Doing this exercise will help you create a strong mental anchor, which gives you the ability to readily recall this wisdom and apply it in your daily life. To start, take a look at the left side of the image. Notice the dark, stormy colors, grays and blacks. This side represents negative thinking. Do you see the barren landscape with withered plants and cracked earth? You can use this image as a reminder that negative thoughts can stunt personal growth, leaving you to feel grim and empty. Look at the stormy sky with dark clouds and rain. These elements represent emotional turmoil and confusion. They remind us how negativity can easily lead to mental storms, causing stress and clouding our judgment. Now, focus on the person sitting on the ground. That person is hunched over and appears defeated and helpless. This reminds us that negative thoughts can have a heavy personal cost, leaving us feeling vulnerable and unprotected. Now, as you look around this person, you see decaying trees, broken and rusting items. Again, this reminds us that negative thinking causes damage and decay. Dreams can shatter, and positive emotional and mental states deteriorate. Having frequent negative thoughts is like carrying a heavy backpack. It slows you down and makes everything feel harder. These negative thoughts often center on self-criticism and self-doubt, which erode your self-esteem and self-worth. The time spent on negative thoughts takes up valuable emotional and mental space in our lives. It reduces and blocks opportunities for positive experiences of joy and satisfaction. Now let's shift our attention to the right side of the image. Notice the bright sunny colors, yellows, greens, and blues. This side represents positive thinking. Look at the lush, vibrant garden with blooming flowers and healthy trees. We'll use this to symbolize growth, life, and flourishing. A mind nurtured with positive thoughts thrives, just like this beautiful garden. See the clear sky with a bright sun. We'll use this to represent clarity of thought and positivity. Clarity and positive thinking bring with it less distraction and more focus. You'll experience better decision-making and be better equipped to tackle problems. Positive thinkers are more resilient in the face of challenges. Positive thinkers appreciate more of the good things in life and maintain a strong, optimistic outlook. And when you focus on what you're grateful for, your perspective shifts. You'll start noticing and appreciating the goodness around you. In relationships, you'll find positivity attracts more positive people and stronger relationships. Positive thinking creates a more successful, healthy, and happy life. Now let's conclude this visual exploration by observing the additional elements: butterflies, birds, and other signs of life and growth. These elements symbolize freedom, transformation, and vibrancy. And guess what? Positive thoughts attract vibrant and transformative life experiences. To help embed wisdom, we created a mnemonic visualization that helps you access and use the wisdom message in your life. You can think of the image as a little memory trick, like sticky glue, making it easier for you to recall and apply this wisdom nugget in your daily life. Now let's turn that sticky glue into super glue. And that is, we turn initial memory to super sticky memory by first recognizing, number 1, understanding a nugget of wisdom is one thing. And number 2, embedding the wisdom message deep within your memory so it's always accessible in both your conscious and subconscious mind is another thing. To illustrate the difference between just knowing versus embedding, It's like knowing of a recipe versus being able to cook it from memory, or understanding a map versus being able to navigate without it, or learning a dance step versus performing it naturally. We'll explore a few ways to embed wisdom messages into your subconscious. The goal is to help make these wisdom messages an automatic response to life's challenges. Consider these tips for practicing and strengthening these wisdom messages so they become an automatic habits of thought. Practicing visualization deepens the wisdom message. Try practicing this visualization exercise at least 3 times during the first week. The more you practice, the more the visual symbols will help you deeply understand the wisdom nugget. Before long, when you face a challenge, this image will pop into your mind, guiding you to react wisely. Let's break wisdom practice down into 3 key steps to help you embrace and apply wisdom in your life. Step 1. Visualize the image. Close your eyes and picture each element of the image associated with the wisdom nugget. Step 2. Repeat the wisdom message. Recite the wisdom nugget in your mind as you visualize the image. Step 3. Apply it in life. Whenever you're in a situation that calls for wisdom, recall the appropriate image and the wisdom it represents. Let its message guide your actions and decisions. By practicing this visualization exercise regularly, you'll find it easier to recall and apply this powerful piece of wisdom in your daily life. So, no sense waiting around. Let's get started and embrace putting wisdom into action with courage and determination. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video on embedding wisdom in your life helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback really helps shape future videos. If you enjoyed this topic, be sure to check out related videos for more insights on living a wise and fulfilling life. And stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive into something you won't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and as always, keep growing in wisdom and living your best life. See you next time.